Your online reputation is one of your most valuable business assets. In today's digital world, customers often research brands before making decisions. A positive reputation builds trust, attracts new clients, and sets you apart from competitors. For beginners, understanding reputation management is the first step to long-term success. To build trust online, start by delivering on your promises. Consistent, high-quality service creates loyal customers who are more likely to leave positive reviews. Share authentic stories about your brand, showcase customer testimonials, and maintain an active presence on social media. Transparency and honesty are key to fostering lasting relationships with your audience. Regularly monitor what people are saying about your brand on review sites, social media, and forums. Set up alerts to catch new mentions quickly. When you receive feedback, respond professionally and promptly, whether it is positive or negative. Thank customers for kind words and address concerns with empathy and solutions to show you value their input. Protect your reputation by establishing clear guidelines for online communication and training your team accordingly. Stay proactive by publishing valuable content and engaging with your community. If you encounter negative publicity, respond thoughtfully and learn from the experience. Consistent attention to your brand's image helps ensure long-term trust and credibility.